Among the people of La, the Wednesday after the sprinkling of Pipli, that is Tuesday, Kongbamo, what happens is the chief deity Lakma is celebrated through dance. The grounds on which this is performed is taken through a particular rite of cleansing. Ngachu, the husk from palm trees, are burnt at particular junctures. This is chiefly done by the Amlakui, whom you see in the Kotokro or Kutu. These men are the main custodians of the rites you'll be seeing performed at Lakpan Na Alo or Lakpanwe, where you see them gathered. This very important rite is done to cleanse and prepare the grounds for the blow, which you see Lakpanwulomo holding in this shot. He comes with this thrice, clearing the grounds and preparing the place for the ritual dance. Lamo Mula.